How to fix Roblox crashing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is give fresh restart to your device. For that, click on this start icon, click on this power button. Select the option of restart. Once you restart your device, launch the Roblox app and then check whether it is working or not. Now heading towards next solution, what you have to do is click on this search bar given at the bottom. Now type in run and search for it. After it appears, click on it and then type in %local app data % and click on OK. With that, you will land to this page. Now over here, you will find different options. Scroll down and find the option of Roblox. Once you find it, right click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of delete. After you delete this file, you can go and check whether your app is working or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, what you have to do is close this. Search for the app Roblox and right click on it. Open this option, App Settings. Now scroll down. Over here you will find different sections. You will see the option of Reset and Repair. Click on those options and then you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is uninstall the Roblox app and reinstall it. For that, you can click on this option of Uninstall given over here. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. This is how you can fix Roblox crashing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.